Your Lordship, I am on behalf of Mr. Vinod Shetty. He is not feeling well today, my Lord.
Tomorrow.
Kindly this matter will be listed after 2 weeks, my Lord. My senior.
No, I'm here to hear Mr. Chetri. He was supposed to give me some judgments. So we also need to be educated. So ask him to come tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Kali Wednesday. Kali Thursday. Aji Mangalbar. So Aji Budban. Oh, sorry. Thursday. Friday.
Bless you.
Friday. Item number 1. List this on the prayer of Mr. B. Chetri. List this matter again on Monday. For further hearing.
Bless. Bless you.
Let's kindly take it up at the end of the list. 2 and 3.
2 and 3. Where is Mr. Bora? Yes, have you got the records?
Yes, Lord, but he is on late, so.
Okay, after something.
Matter may be taken up to another day because he is in 4-7.
You get the records. Okay, there is an election petition after that. We'll follow it. No, Mazumdar, this is bad. You stop all the government advocates to come in the court. This is bad. They told me that you there.
On the last occasion also that
What do you want from? What order do you?
I want that the Department of Police should be brought to a logical conclusion.
Only that much.
Yes.
You don't want reinstatement. You're reinstated.
Reinstatement. Obviously, Your Lordship.
You get yourself
No,
reinstated.
reinstatement will not come, Your Lordship.
You're retired.
I'm already retired.
Very peculiar
Tendency
stand
will-
they have taken. Very
Yeah.
peculiar stand. Get hold of who is that? Forest. Get hold of the forest.
Gogoi,
Whoever it is.
the Gogoi.
The inquiry officer says he can't proceed with the matter to wait for the criminal case. Then why was the department proceeding instituted?
Yeah.
It should go.
Yeah,
Criminal case, what is the position? Is a charge sheet file.
charge sheet something. No.
Charge sheet not submitted. Get hold of somebody. We'll pass orders. You're not getting, you're getting provisional pension. Mr. Mazumdar,
Yes,
you're getting provisional pension.
yes.
You should be entitled to regular pension. Nice. Come on record, tell this court that these are the vacancies which were not filled up in Dhubri, in history, and other subject is economics. ST unreserved, and after that recruitment process. Bring that affidavit on record by Friday. Or Monday.
Monday.
Mr. Bhattakur, because I don't want to make a second mistake, because if you read this affidavit, it's neither here nor there.
That's what I wanted.
This is not,
Lordship, that.
this is Miss Mushahari's beauty. She has done it. But I want the authorities to do it.
Lordship, that was communicated. That was what I was asking them to put on.
Let them.
But what they are saying is that bifurcation was.
We can also see through some things,
Lordship,
not
Lordship-
much,
Lordship,
but we can also see through.
Lordship.
So, and where is your IS? She is still posted there.
No, your Lordship. So it's-
Wherever she is, she'll also file an affidavit. Why she made those statements? Mr. S. Bhattakur, learned counsel for the petitioner. Heard Mr. S. Bhattakur, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Miss MS D. Mushahari, learned standing counsel, secondary education department. It is seen from the records that an affidavit in opposition has been filed in the review petition by the Director of Secondary Education Assam. A perusal of the same does not reflect the stand that is proposed to be taken by the respondent authorities in the matter. Also, it is not clear from the said affidavit as to whether the contention of the petitioner that in pursuance to the advertisement which was in issue in the writ proceedings. কি লিখিছো? না, তালাগত। Issued, which was in pursuance to the advertisement which was in issue in the writ proceeding, comma, there remained vacant posts of in the subject of history and economics pertaining to the category to which the petitioners belong have not been dealt with by the respondent authorities in the affidavit. Also, accordingly, the director is afforded a further opportunity to file an additional affidavit in the matter, clarifying the above position. Also, the said affidavit be filed on or before 11/11/2024. Registry to further, the perusal of the affidavit now filed by the director reveals that the then incumbent in the post of Inspector of Schools had furnished contradictory information to this court. Full stop. Had submitted information to this court in the form of the communication dated communications dated 22/4/2024 and 16/9/2024. Full stop. The incumbents who had issued the said communications dated 22/4/2024 and 16/9/2024 shall also file their respective affidavits clarifying their stand in the matter on or before 11/11/2024.
Lordship, may I pray? Can it be on 13, Your Lordship?
No. 12/11/2024. A date to 12 ko dia. Registry to list this matters again on 14/11/2024.
Obliged.
Ita date moi jot 11 koisu etu 12 koriba. Let us get it, Mr. That there be clarity, we'll pass the order.
Obliged.
Your Lordship, kindly peruse the order dated 17/9/2024.
Sir, what is your information, instruction?
Lordship, they have given me an mail. There says that, Lordship, I'll just.
You can give it. Oh, that wall still remains.
Lordship. Lordship was actually considering on the other occasions. Para to my lord.
Okay, fine. Understood.
That is what is there.
No. It is understood. It is accepted. No problem.
Then Your Lordship.
We'll have the matter heard finally then. Today it may not be possible.
Lordship.
Mr. Talukdar, learned standing counsel SBI, in terms of the order dated 17/9/2024 on instructions have submitted that the proposal as advanced by the learned counsel for the petitioner and noted in the order dated 17/9/2024 is not acceptable to the respondent bank. Full stop. In view of the above position, the matter would now require to be finally heard. Full stop. As agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matters again on when?
On 19th, Your Lordship.
19th, Lordship.
I don't know. I may not be here. So I'll release it.
No,
It
Your
will
Lordship
come.
may not release it since Your Lordship has
No, no.
substantially heard it.
We-
Otherwise, Your Lordship.
This is 786 memory. It goes.
We have also filed Your Lordship written submission.
I know that.
Maybe in December, Lordship.
Registry to list
Because
this matter as and when, after 2 weeks, as and when this bench is
Lordship,
available. Mr. Talra, no problem for you?
Otherwise, no problem, Lordship, because otherwise what we'll have to do, we will have to again, the requirements of courts are different, Lordship.
Okay, fine. No, I'll not put you to trouble.
Lord-
I just want a 15-20 minutes thing and
Lordship,
it'll come back.
Already,
It'll come back.
obliged, sir.
All right, Lordship.
Mr. Bora, you have got it. Not
The record, my lord, service book is there,
Hmm.
clearly stating that there is. I have fragment the 211 pages, my lord.
Mr. Bora
Only
is,
signed.
the body language says it all.
It has been taken into consideration by the earlier, when the final order might have already been passed.
Ah,
Signed.
Mohammad Ziaur Rahman, very good sign. 29/5/11 to 55 as per medical report. Okay, what are the more documents available?
My lord, one thing, my lord. The file was checked, my lord. Therefore, I just found that the medical report was missing. Lots will come to the next flag, green flag mark. Back
Huh,
side.
huh.
FIR was lost because he want to, it was anticipated he will take benefit of that, my thing of that particular page number 5, where the medical report was. there.
Which? Okay.
Another green mark, green flag is there. That medical report, when the medical was done in the initial, when the service report was prepared, my lord, that went missing.
Okay, fine. This service book was opened in 93. No gradation list, huh?
The gradation is not there, my lord. Even gradation will not reflect their age, my lord.
Normally it does. At that point of time, the age is also reflected. Heard Mr. G. Rahul Lanak, counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. S. Bora Lanak, standing counsel, GMC. Mr. Bora, in terms of the directions passed by this court, by the earlier orders, has placed before this court the original personal file of the petitioner herein, which also contains his service book, which was opened on 3/5/1993. So, a perusal of the said service book reveals that the date of birth of the petitioner has been recorded as therein as 29/11/55, 1955, 55, 29/11/55 with the apostrophe to Ediba. And the petitioner had also signed at the designated place, which as a mark of acceptance of the particular so recorded in the first page of his service book. Also, the records as produced by Mr. Bora is returned herewith. Also, registry to list this matter again on. I'll pass the orders on that day.
Lordship.
When?
My lord, can it be
Monday?
last, I'll be out of station from 11 to, my lord, 23, my lord. Can it be-
No, you need not be here. On 11, we'll only pass the order.
Last week, my lord.
I'll not be here, not be here. That's the problem. I'll not be here.
My lord, can it be on, when you, lordship,
I don't know after.
can it be on 13th, then 13th?
13th, yes, 13th. We'll pass the orders on that. You take back this.
Lordship,
record.
put the record on that.
Yes, Mr. Bhattakur.
Lordship, on the last occasion, we had produced our instruction. Beyond that,
We got it. What is that instruction?
uh,
If you can't conclude, you can't conclude the proceedings, demand proceedings,
which is
drop
why,
it,
Lordship,
drop
that,
it,
the-
drop it,
It can go, Lordship.
drop it.
Only one pair, Lordship. After this criminal proceeding ends, Lordship, if after.
Future good conduct, whatever, if he is convicted, do whatever you want as per that provisions of the pension rules. Now, take steps. You withdraw this,
I'll.
place that order
Plan.
and give him his pension. Mr. Bhattakur, Learned Standing Counsel, Forest Department has submitted that in view of the conclusions reached in the matter by the inquiry officer, the respondent authorities are considering the issue for further decision. He accordingly prays that he be granted a week's time to place before this court the decision that would be now arrived at in the matter by the respondent authorities. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. R. Mujumdar. Also, accordingly, registry to list this matters again on 13th. Mr. Bhattakur, there is no point. If we come in, we'll have to say many things. We'll also have to say that the whole proceeding was, if you can't decide it, that would mean that the whole proceeding was initiated against him maliciously. We'll have to give him interest and all those things. You withdraw that, regularizes that period as on duty, and first you withdraw that, get that withdrawal order, regularize his period, pay his pensions, make a prayer on the next day that everything we do would be subject to the outcome of the criminal case. The criminal case also cannot be now utilized against him because the charge sheet has not been filed, right? That is the instruction they have. So his pension cannot be withheld on that plea also. Then
Lordship, I'll.
We do
advise
that.
the client.
if it was not for that observation of the Enquiry officer, we would not have taken this way, but he says he can't. And you have not, you are sitting over the matter. The man has now retired. How long will it go? Take a decision, come back.
Your lordship, may I enter? Pension and other retirement benefit also not given.
Provisional pension also not given.
No, only provisional pension.
that much is
Gratuity,
enough.
gratuity.
Gratuity
GPF,
will not get.
No.
You will not get. Because there is a proceeding pending.
Dependence.
Due dependency, you will not get it. Moment that goes, it will come back.
22C.
Let Mr. Bhattakur has have his instructions. Okay,
Next day, 13.
13. You have your instructions.
Public.
Not a song, we will-